2007 Lexus RX 350 luxury SUV. Body's in excellent shape. Beautiful light green metallic. It's got aluminum alloy wheels with good Michelin tires, tinted windows, roof rack crossbars, rear bumper protector. Very nice light beige leather interior, wood grain trim throughout, carpeted floor mats, power windows, locks and mirrors, memory driver seat, tilt and telescoping steering column, ice cold AC or heated seats, whichever you prefer, 6-disc changer, tape player, navigation, backup camera, steering wheel controls, auto headlights, fog lights, just over 130,000 miles. And it's even got a sunroof. Won't last long. They'll come free fall down at you cars.